One of the great things you're going to learn when creating your own videos is about motivated movement. That might be where the camera zooms in on a character to introduce them, or zooms out to say something about the scene. Well, what you're experiencing now is not necessarily a motivated movement. I've set up the camera to slide and to pan and to tilt to show the effect of movement. So it's motivated in the sense I want to show you, but it's not saying anything in the story. But one of the exciting things that you will get to in your development of your video career is getting to the point where you can either have someone else working with you who can use a slider and pan and tilt manually, or you can invest in some equipment that will do that programmed by you for you. It's like having somebody else working with you. So what you're experiencing here is 3, maybe 4 products from Edelkrone, an amazing European company, now shipping from the States. So there's a slider there, a powered slider that's bringing the camera from one side to another. And there are 2 HeadONE units, as they call them, which give you pan and tilt, all controlled by this little beastie. So I just encourage you to use your imagination and think about what you could do with product videography, for example. I can't wait to go and find some really nice flowers in a garden centre and have the camera move around the display. But this is primarily for adding a bit of dynamism to interviews. And if it's clear enough without the sound of the motors buzzing in the background, I should be well pleased that from now on, the interviews and the stories that I do to share people's journeys, their adventures with you, will have a bit more of a Hollywood style to them, thanks to motorized sliders.